Last, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. That. Shayo. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I know you go and shadow. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow. I did cut a cut when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, 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 another banger. Make a call, make a bomb, 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 make a call, make a cheap, but the bomb, 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 your body, kakara, make a bomb, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, oh, bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate.
Good morning. It's me. It's Moa with my breakdown. My breakdown in a ponytail and a hat. Okay. This is what we're working with today. Where did I think I was going? Where did I think I was going with it like that? Anyways. Welcome to a new vlog. Okay, y'all. Today it's all about errands and getting content done. I don't know why the sun's shining on me like that. I am so sorry, but yeah, today is getting work done, content done, wig done. That is the goal for today. All right, that means we have a lot, and I might have to take an intermediate nap. So I have to run all my errands this morning. It's 9:34. I have quite a lot to do. I'm gonna give me some breakfast at McDonald's. Sure am. Just a sandwich though. I'll probably ask for a cup of water. After that, Target. Now, I've been low on energy for God knows how long, okay? Energy and I have not been coexisting. So, TikTok University. I'm influenced enough at this point. TikTok University. I'm gonna try some Celsius because they said it's good for energy, and if it works, I'm going to stock up because I have no energy, and the things I'm gonna film today, I need a lot of energy because it's back to back to back. Okay, we're filming for TikTok, we're filming for YouTube, we're filming for Instagram, all the things involved. We're finishing editing, photos, planning, wig probably tonight, because I forgot I have a client tomorrow morning bright and early. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. As you see, I tidied up the house a bit downstairs. The part I didn't show is like I just fixed my bed upstairs, lit up a candle, have the room smelling fresh, okay, on this marvelous Thursday. And yeah, because my husband cleaned my car Monday or Tuesday. He cleaned my car, like vacuumed inside, and then I wiped down, found my favorite car air freshener, because my husband took it from me and I was so mad. He still owe me though, because I told him, you owe me this, like you gotta buy it, which he didn't. So we gonna keep him. I'm gonna make sure he buy me one. Cool. But this is the dragon fruit scent. I love this scent in my car. Like, oh my god, when the AC is hitting and everything, it's just, it feels like a brand new car. It feels airy and welcome and relaxed. So yeah, even though that was like off topic, but I'm just enjoying the scent right now. So basically I have to buy some bleach, some dye, probably do it later, because that wig is going to be done tonight, late tonight. It's not going to be a day project because I got too much to do. So I'll be stopping at McDonald's, stop at Target, Publix, Walmart, and then I go about my day. Reason why, Target, the Celsius, I might find it at Publix too. I don't know, I've never seen it at Publix, but I was gonna stop at Target because that's where I saw it. But you know what, I'm gonna try Publix because Publix would normally have it, right? I went to Publix. You can see I got my fruit, but they didn't have the Celsius drink. Let me tell you when I finally see the Celsius drink. When I get to the cashier and it was only one left, but I already committed to getting these because it was like 4 for $10 or 4 for something. It was a deal. Okay, so that's what I got. So we're gonna give it a try. It's supposed to hydrate, refresh, refuel, and it's only 5 calories. Has vitamin A, D, B6, B12. So, and it contains 0. So we're just gonna see. Let me do the blue one. As I said, I got this specifically because I feel like I have no energy. And now I'm gonna go to Walmart and get my chicken breast, my literal, like I wrote down a list, my quinoa rice, chicken broth, and other things of that nature. I need my sit on. Let me add this to my list. It's 11:14. I'm gonna wake up at 12. So when I wake up at 12, before I go to sleep, I'm gonna wash this wig, then wake up at 12, get ready, which is content I'm filming as well, and then pictures, videos, reels, all that, creating masks. Basically, I'm doing batch content today before I am extremely busy. So yeah, let's go take a nap and I'll see y'all when I wake up. So guys, I already started the content. When I tell you this look is giving, like I had it in my head, but dang, let me show y'all just the photos. Y'all can't tell me it's not giving. And that's all I took. We're not even gonna take more. We're not gonna even take more. So we're going on to the next outfit. So guys, I finished the content. I'm playing Nanny in the background. So I'm gonna be making the chicken for my chicken wraps, my lettuce wraps. What takes me the longest about making this is literally waiting for the chicken to cook. It don't even be anything else. It literally just be it, because I do it in an air fryer. So I guess this is what we finna do. Cooking the rice. Gotta clean the rice.
Yeah.
Let me show you the getaway of a can opener. If you're Caribbean or Haitian, I don't know if anybody else does it. Probably it's me. My mom been opening cans like this. I've been opening cans like this. I don't know how to work a can opener. I don't own a can opener. So this is how I open a can. Take a knife, take a glass cup, put it on the edge, and I wish it was a joke. I do it all around. Okay. We're almost there. This is dangerous. Do at your own precaution. I'm not suggesting this to anybody. I'm not telling nobody to open their cans like that. That's just how I do it. Okay. And that's it.